Hello and welcome back to this video series on getting started with TRISA. In this video, we'll cover what you need to get registered for the TRISA network. First, let's go over the TRISA certification process. TRISA acts as the root of trust. It is the trusted VASP certificate authority and issues identity certificates to members. VASPs must complete a formal registration and due diligence process by TRISA that includes physical and digital verification of the VASP. The verification process follows FATF's recommendations for VASP licensing and registration. The process is designed to be thorough and rigorous, but not financially burdensome for VASPs to complete on their own. It does not require a third-party auditor or hefty fees. TRISA verifies all data submitted by VASPs and conducts sanctions checks. The first step is to join the TRISA network. To become a member, a VASP must submit a registration. Once approved, the VASP will receive digital certificates, which are cryptographic key pairs that should be used in secure TRISA information exchanges with other members. Here's an overview of what you'll need to get started. First, your business details, such as your company name and website and what type of business or VASP you are. Your legal details, your legal name, country and address, and government identification number. Your points of contact, such as technical and legal or compliance contact, both of which are required, and optionally, an administrative and/or billing contact. Your endpoint details and your jurisdiction details. Make sure you have all of your details ready before you begin registration. Your business details include your company name, date of incorporation or establishment, company website, business category, and VASP category. Your legal details are how TRISA defines your business entity. TRISA uses the IVMS 101 data standard to describe a business entity. IVMS 101 defines a legal person as having one or more name identifiers, 0 or more local or phonetic names, 1 or more physical geographical addresses, the country where your business is headquartered, and a national identification. Your key points of contact include your technical contact, which is required. This is the primary contact for handling technical queries about the operation and status of your service participating in the TRISA network. Your legal or compliance contact, which is also required, is usually a compliance officer or legal contact for requests about the compliance requirements and legal status of your organization. Optionally, you may also include an administrative contact and/or a billing contact. Each VASP is required to establish a TRISA endpoint for inter-VASP communication. To join TRISA and be issued a certificate, you must specify 2 details of your endpoint in your registration. Your TRISA endpoint, which is the address and port of the TRISA endpoint for partner VASPs to use to connect with you via gRPC, for example, trisa.myvasp.com:4321, as well as your certificate common name for your MTLS certificate. This should match the TRISA endpoint without the port in most cases, for example, trisa.myvasp.com. Your jurisdiction details include primary national jurisdiction, name of primary regulator, applicable regulations, and currency threshold. These details will help your peer VASPs understand the regulatory regime of your organization. The information you provide will help ensure that required compliance information exchanges are conducted correctly and safely. All verified TRISA members will have access to this information. In the next video, we'll discuss some of the benefits of joining the TRISA network. We'll see you there.